Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay My Last Day at School. The students of ninth class had arranged a farewell party in our honor as we had a year before. I was both happy and sad on that day. All of us, along with the ninth class, sat in the big hall. The teachers and the principal also joined us. Mr. Hamza recited the holy verses from the Quran. A student from the class ninth delivered a farewell speech. After him, our monitor also delivered a speech offering thanks to the ninth class. In the end, the headmaster made a memorable speech. He gave us many useful and practical pieces of advice. He appreciated our behavior and performance in curricular as well as co-curricular activities. The principal and teachers prayed for our success. The ninth class had arranged a variety show and cultural program. Then we were invited to refreshment. We were served with sweets, chana chaat, cake, and tea. Now it was afternoon. The ninth class bade us farewell formally. Before leaving school, I decided to cast a last glance at the school. I went to visit the library and the science laboratory. I remembered the happy hours I spent there. I was very sad and returned home. I was thinking of my friends, teachers, and the kind principal.